a cozy day. In the weekend, I love to maybe go for shopping with family or have a great lunch with my family and have a chit chat time. So this is my favorite moments to have together with families and to have a dinner with them and to have a chit chat time with them. This will be release my stress for the whole week. So this is my goal on the weekend. I won't let myself to have stress on weekend. So this is why I enjoy every weekend. This afternoon, actually, I doing my work, but I forgot to record it, so it's okay. So right now, I try to record my night routine. Before I having my dinner, I would like to do my face mask first. This one I get it from an event. So actually, I'm a sensitive skin, but this one is for dry skin. But anyway, because my sleeping mask is finished, so I right now I would like to try this one. So before I having my dinner, I do my face mask first, then only proceed for the next activity.